So what's up guys, it's me Nick watching Tech with Nick. So guys, in this video I'm going to do an unboxing. After a way long time I'm going to do an unboxing. So guys, this is my new headphone. The last headphone that I have, JBL, got broken, so I bought a new one. So this is what I bought, and guys, there was a very good deal on these headphones, that's why I bought this. So I will tell you the price after some times. So let me first cut this wrapper off. So let me cut it with my scissors. I don't know why I had bought a knife that was pretty good, but I have just lost it while I was making the video. I was trying to find it, but I was not able to find that. So let's remove this off. I don't know how. Yeah, I don't know if I opened it right or wrong, but anyhow, we are going to get the headphones anyhow. So this is the warranty card. I will not going to. Oh, what the F is this thing? But the logo of this brand is very good. If you haven't heard about this means brand, it's an Ant Audio. They produce earphones only, but this is their first or second headphone. They usually make earphones, not headphones. This is the aux cable. It is an wireless, but you can use wire also, means aux cables also if your battery dies. This is the charger for it. Here comes our main stuff, the headphones. It was not in any other color, so I have to take this ones only, but the black and red combination is really good. I didn't thought that it will look that good. So it is in very good condition, and guys, this is extendable also. I will show you in a minute. And the texture is also good. What else I can say? Guys, look at this brand, how cool it looks. If you are a fan of Ant-Man, then this brand is going to suit you. This is how you can extend it so it can fit your head. So this is what I get with this. This is a sticker. I really like this. So thanks for watching. If you want the review of this headphones, then I will make a review of this. So thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like this video, share with your friends, subscribe and leave down a comment.